Dear students, I am Dr. Shikha Bhatt, Assistant Professor of Tourism at Government PG College Ambala Kent. This online lecture has been prepared under the aegis of Director General Higher Education Haryana for undergraduate tourism management students. The topic of today's lecture is Fatehpur Sikri. This is the overview of Fatehpur Sikri, and here you can find famous Buland Darwaza, and this is Buland Darwaza, and here is the tomb of Sufi saint Salim Chishti. Here you can find royal palaces of Fatehpur Sikri. Fast facts of Fatehpur Sikri. It was founded in 1569, built by Emperor Akbar. Location of Fatehpur Sikri is in Uttar Pradesh. Architecture is Indo-Islamic. It was designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site in the year 1986. Timing of opening is from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Open on all days of the week. Entry fee is rupees 35 for Indian, rupees 35 for SAARC and BIMSTEC countries, rupees 550 for foreigner, and there is no fee for children below age 15. This is the site plan of Fatehpur Sikri palaces. Introduction. Fatehpur Sikri is 36 kilometers from Agra and once was the capital of Mughal Emperor Akbar. The architecture of the city was designed by Tuhir Das and Dhruv Chawla. Akbar founded the city in 1569 after winning Chittor and Ranthambore. The construction of the city was completed in around 15 years and included palaces, harems, courts, and other structures. Previously, it was named Fatehabad, where Fateh means victory. Later, the name was changed to Fatehpur Sikri. 9 gems from his courtiers were selected here. Architecture of Fatehpur Sikri. Fatehpur Sikri is surrounded by a wall on 3 sides and a lake on the 4th side. The architecture of the building was based on Mughal and Indian architecture. The Indian architecture included the Hindu and Jain architecture. There are many structures like mosques, palaces, tombs, etc. which the tourists can view. The name of some of them are Buland Darwaja, Jama Masjid, Ibadat Khana, Tomb of Salim Chishti, Diwan-e-Aam, Diwan-e-Khas, Jodhabai Palace, Panch Mahal, Birbal's House, Anup Talau, Naubat Khana, Pachisi Court, and Hiran Minar. The very first structure of Fatehpur Sikri is Buland Darwaja. It was built by Akbar in 1601 to commemorate the victory over Gujarat. Buland Darwaja is the highest gateway of the world, which is built by using red sandstone and white and black marble. The gate has chhatris on top along with minar spires. It is a 15-story building having the height of 54 meters and the entrance to the city from the southern side. Tourists have to climb 42 steps to reach the gate. There are 2 structures of 3 stories on each side and both of them have 3 kiosks with big domes. These kiosks are surrounded by 13 more kiosks having smaller domes. There is an inscription on the front side of Buland Darwaza which shows that Akbar was very broad-minded in the case of religion. There are flower-like designs made up of white marble at the apex of the arch. Besides Buland Darwaza, there are many other gates to enter the city of Fatehpur Sikri, which are as under: Delhi Gate, Lal Gate, Agra Gate, Birbal's Gate, Chandanpal Gate, Gwalior Gate, Chor Gate, and Ajmer Gate. Places of worship in Fatehpur Sikri. The Jama Masjid, Ibadat Khana, and the Jamaat Khana were the 3 buildings where people during the region used to worship. Jama Masjid is still used to worship. Let us discuss one by one. Jama Masjid. The Jama Masjid was built in 1571 AD. Iranian architecture along with Mughal architecture have been used to build the mosque. It is one of the largest mosques in the world, which can be entered through Buland Darwaja. The chhajja is very slanting and square chhatris surround the brackets of the chhajja. The mosque has a large courtyard where the people can come and worship in congregation. Around 25,000 people can worship in the mosque at a time. People can enter the mosque through north, south, and east sides by using stairs. The tower of the mosque is of 5 stories, out of which first 3 stories and the fifth story are made up of red sandstone and the fourth is made up of marble. Akbar built the Ibadat Khana in 1575 to hold meetings with the religious leaders of different religions. The participants include Hindu, Jains, Roman Catholics, and Zoroastrians. These discussions were held every Thursday evening. Akbar has the aim of reconciling different religions, which included Sufism, Bhakti movement of Hinduism, and fire ceremonies of Zoroastrianism and Jainism. Akbar created a new faith called Deen-e-Ilahi. Akbar stopped eating non-veg due to the influence of Jainism. Animal slaughtering was prohibited on Paryushan and Mahavir Jayanti, the festivals of Jain. Next is Jamaat Khana. Jamaat Khana is situated on the east of Salim Chishti's tomb. This was the place where Sheikh Salim Chishti used to worship with his disciples. As all other monuments, it was also built with red sandstone. Sheikh Haji Hussain was buried after his death in 1591, so it was made a graveyard and many followers of Sheikh Salim Chishti were buried here. The graves of males can be identified by the verses of the Holy Quran, while women graves can be identified by flat bar called Takti. Tourists can reach the courtyard through a magnificent gate. The chamber inside is the tomb of Islam Khan, grandson of Sheikh Salim Chishti. The chamber looks square in shape from outside but octagonal from inside. Yara Chabutra or Friends platform also has the graves of the disciples of the saint. Tourists can enter this platform through Badshahi Darwaja, situated on the east of the Jamaat Khana. Tomb of Salim Chishti. The tomb of Salim Chishti was built during the reign of Akbar between 1580 and 1581. It is a place where Sufi saint Salim Chishti is buried. Akbar built it in order to respect the saint, as the saint prayed for him for having a male son, namely Jahangir, to become his heir. The platform on which the tomb is constructed has height of 1 meter, and tourists can enter the tomb through 5 steps. The tomb is surrounded by marble screens. The location of the tomb is in the center of the hall having semicircular dome. The platform is built by using black and yellow marble. A marble cenotaph is surrounded by chapparkhat, which is mostly covered by a green colored cloth. The door of the main chamber has inscriptions from Holy Quran, and people come here to ask for blessings to fulfill their wishes. Next is Janana Roja. The entrance of Janana Roja or the women's tomb lies between Jamaat Khana and tomb of Salim Chishti. The entrance is made up of marble and red sandstone. There is a central arch with a square opening, and this arch consists of floral design. This tomb was connected by an underground pathway to Sheikh Salim Chishti house during his lifetime. The women of the family of Salim Chishti used this path to go to the saint's house and listen to him. 2 chambers are there divided into sections. These sections are divided into subsections having graves of the ladies of the house of Salim Chishti. You can see these are the graves. Diwan-e-Aam and Diwan-e-Khas are the 2 halls in the complex of Fatehpur Sikri. Diwan-e-Aam was used to address the local people, hear their complaints, and do judgment, while Diwan-e-Khas was to hold meetings with royal people, courtiers, and guests. Let us discuss one by one. Diwan-e-Aam is situated near Agra Gate. The dalan of the whole is divided into 111 bays through square pillars. The throne chamber of the whole faces east. It is said that Akbar worshipped sun, so it was made in such a way that it faces east. This chamber has three parts. In the center, emperor used to sit and address the people. On one side of the center there is a wide space, while on other side there is portion from where royal ladies can see the dealings. A beautiful screen has been used to mask this portion. There is no dome in the building, but still it looks beautiful due to its pillars, brackets, chajjas and kiosks which are placed at regular intervals. Diwan-e Khas is the building in the complex which was used by the Emperor Akbar to welcome royal guests and hold royal meetings. The building is very close to a treasury of gold and silver which is known as Aankh Micholi. The building is in square shape and is made up of red sandstone. Diwan-e Khas has four faces and all of them are double-storied. Each corner of the building has four octagonal kiosks. Each kiosk has a dome which is topped with an inverted lotus. The main hall has 36 brackets which are arranged in a circle. Jodhabai was the Hindu wife of Emperor Akbar, and Jodhabai Palace is also known as Raniwas and Janani Dyodi. It was made for Jodhabai by Akbar. The palace is massive and is double-storied. There is a rectangular block in the palace whose dimension is 231.8 into 215 feet. The gateway of the palace is situated on the east side and is very magnificent. The Hindu motifs used in the construction of the palace shows that the palace was built for a Hindu lady. Many motifs can be found in the interior like swans, elephants, parrots, etc. There is a suite in the palace which served as a temple. It contains Vedikas and other Hindu motifs. The suite has pillars with brackets. The palace is built with red sandstone, which also makes it very beautiful. Next is Panch Mahal. Panch Mahal was built by Emperor Akbar. The palace was near the harem of the women and is built in such a way that it provides relaxation during summer. Going from bottom to top, each floor is smaller than the other. There are 84 pillars on the first floor. Each pillar had a jali from where women can view the happenings in the city. The second floor has 56, third has 20, and the fourth floor has 12 pillars. The topmost floor has a chhatri with a cupola. You can see here. Next building in the complex of Fatehpur Sikri is Birbal's palace. Birbal was a very close friend, one of the nine gems, and the prime minister of Emperor Akbar. So Emperor Akbar thought of making a palace for him. Though the palace was used by the queens Ruqayya Begum and Salima Begum, the palace was built on the basis of Mughal and Persian architecture and is of two stories. There are four rooms on the ground floor, each having the dimension of 16.10 feet. The rooms are interconnected by two doors, one at the southwest and other at the northwest. The interior design of the palace is also very beautiful. Next is Khas Mahal. Khas Mahal was the palace of Mughal Emperor Akbar. The ground floor has two rooms and the first floor has Khwabga. One of the rooms at the ground floor was used as a dining hall and the other was used as a library. There is a Jharokas from where Akbar used to contact with general public. Khwabga was connected to ladies' harem and was covered by jalis. Anup Talao. Anup Talao is a tank in front of the Khwabga. The tank is made up of red sandstone. There is a jalit balustrade at the center along with a raised seat. There was a waterworks system to which the tank was connected to fill it up with fresh water. The tank was also connected to the Suktal to prevent overflowing of water. The panels in the tank has the scenes of forest and gardens. Next building is Nobat Khana. Nobat Khana, also known as Nakkar Khana or Drum House, was situated at the entrance. The court musicians beat the drums if an announcement was to be made to the public. If a royal person or king arrives to or departs from the city, then also the drum was beaten. Besides the drums, musicians used to play shehnai if there is a wedding or a festival celebration in the city. Pachisi Court. Pachisi is actually a game just like chess and was played during the Mughal period. A Pachisi court was built by Akbar to play the game. A ground with black and white checks was built and humans were used instead of Mohras to play the game. The court was built near Diwan-e-Am between 1572 and 1575. The slab is of the courtyard was made up of red sandstone with black and white checks. Emperor Akbar used to play this game with his queen and other important royal members. Next is Hiran Minar. Hiran Minar was built by Emperor Akbar to commemorate his favorite elephant, whose name was Hiran. That's the reason it was built on its remains. It is said that the topmost of the tower was used to put a lamp to show the way to the travelers. This lamp is called Akashdeep or heavenly light. The height of this tower is 80 feet. The ground floor of the tower is octagonal, middle is circular, and the top is reduced in size and has a dome-crowned capital. The exterior walls include stones which seems like elephant's tusk. There is a spiral staircase inside which leads to the top of the tower. How to reach Fatehpur Sikri? Fatehpur Sikri is well connected to nearby cities by road transport. Some of the nearby places with their approximate distance by road are as follows. Fatehpur Sikri to Agra is 36 kilometers. Fatehpur Sikri to Delhi 243 kilometers. Fatehpur Sikri to Jaipur 205 kilometers. Fatehpur Sikri to Bharatpur 25 kilometers. Fatehpur Sikri to Ajnera 18 kilometers. Fatehpur Sikri to Gwalior 140 kilometers. By air, Fatehpur Sikri does not have airport, but the nearby airports are Khedia Airport Agra, Sangner Airport Jaipur, Indira Gandhi International Airport Delhi. By rail, Fatehpur Sikri has its railway station, but very few trains have stoppage here. Most of the trains stop at Agra, from where people can come to the city by road. The nearby railway stations are Agra, Bharatpur and Ajnera. Nearby tourist spots from Fatehpur Sikri. The very first one is Agra Fort. Agra Fort was built by Lodi dynasty and Mughal dynasty, elaborated its construction area-wise as well as architecture-wise. The red sandstone of the fort were replaced with marbles and other Mughal art has been embedded in the fort. Aurangzeb imprisoned his father Shah Jahan in this fort in Musallam Burj, who looked at the Taj Mahal from the window of the fort. The distance between the fort and the Taj can be covered in 15 to 20 minutes, as the distance between both the monuments is around 7 kilometers. Many structures like pillars, mosques, halls and others are included in the fort. Taj Mahal or Roza-e-Munwara was built by Emperor Shah Jahan in the memory of his beloved wife Mumtaz Mahal. This monument is one of the 7 wonders of the world and is declared World Heritage Site by United Nations Education Scientific Cultural Organization. It is built from white marble. Along with marble, red sandstone is also used to build some structures like mosque, entrance, gates and others. Taj Mahal is around 7 kilometers from Agra Fort. Sikandra. Akbar's tomb was built by Akbar in Sikandra. Akbar started the construction of this tomb in 1600 and it was completed in the region of Jahangir in 1613. The tomb has lawns and arch gates. The tomb has the combination of architecture of Hindu, Islam, Jain, Buddhist and Christians. Sikandra is around 13 kilometers from Agra Fort. This is the MCQ test developed out of this lecture. It comprises of 10 questions and each question has 4 options to answer. Let us discuss one by one. First question is, which of the following buildings are not located at Fatehpur Sikri? A. Tomb of Salim Chishti. B. Panch Mahal. C. Janani Deori. D. Bibi Ka Maqbara. Second question is, who built Ibadat Khana at Fatehpur Sikri? Options are A. Jahangir, B. Akbar, C. Jodhabai and D. Shah Jahan. Third question is, when was Fatehpur Sikri built? Option A 1551, B 1561, C 1571 and option D 1581. Next question is, where is the tomb of Akbar situated? Option A Sikandra, B Agra, C Delhi and D Mathura. Fifth question is, game namely Pachisi Court at Fatehpur Sikri is like a option A Ludo, B business game, C snake and ladder and option D chess. Next question is, Fatehpur Sikri is a World Heritage Site declared in option A 1986, B 1985, C 1984 and D 1983. Question number 7. Anup Talao in the complex of Fatehpur Sikri is a option A garden, B palace, C pool, D worship hall. Question number 8. Akbar built Buland Darwaza to commemorate his conquest of option A Delhi, B Khandesh, C Aurangabad or D Bhopal. Question number 9. Which one of the following is not a name of gate to enter Fatehpur Sikri? Option A Agra Gate, B Mathura Gate, C Delhi Gate and D Chandanpal Gate. Question number 10. Which of the following was constructed the Panch Mahal of Fatehpur Sikri? Option A Jahangir, B Aurangzeb, C Shah Jahan or D Akbar. Thanks. Enjoy learning.